Looks like a little wand. Bippity boppity boo. All you watching should subscribe. Hey beauties, it's Viviana and today I'm recreating Liza Koshy. We're gonna be recreating Liza Koshy's 2019 Met Gala look.
Wow! I think I'm picking up a signal.
Met Gala is so 3 weeks ago.
I don't care, I still like her hairstyle. And out of all the Met Gala hairstyles and looks that there were on the red carpet, only one person tagged me in any of the pictures and said,
Viviana, why you don't recreate this look? I like it.
One person out of all I know. But I forgot to screenshot the person's name. And Liza has about 7,000 comments under that picture right now and I can't find it back. But that person know who they are. Thank you. You're a real one. So some adjustments will be made, but I'm super excited. I have some fake hair, some gold ribbons, and these are the two main changes I'm going to be making to the hairstyle. Instead of using silver accessory, I'm going to be using gold, and because I have more kinky textured hair than Miss Liza, I am going to be using kinky hair to give me the end of that ponytail, unlike what she used, a looser curly hair. Yeah, this texture would match my hair a little more. Okay, alright, let's get started. So my hair is freshly washed and it's about 80% dry right now, but it is fully detangled. But before I attempt this really sleek low ponytail, let me put the parting in the correct position. Liza had her part about right here, and it was a really deep side part. Yeah. I predict this ponytail is gonna take a lot of gel. Alright, so with the front of her hair, it goes down and swoops to the side. And then it goes down into the low ponytail. Ooh! She has this little sideburn situation going on that kind of add a little extra flair to the hairstyle, so let me separate that out. I wonder if mine too long. Oh, it can touch. Alright, I don't want it to get mixed up, so let me just twist it under my chin. That didn't work. Alright. Let's get some help of some mousse. So I could put my hair in a ponytail from here, but we want this ponytail to be sleek, to be smooth. So the more detangled my hair is, the better. So I would not just start raking a fine tooth comb through my hair. I have to move down to it gradually. And this is only because I'm trying to get a really sleek ponytail. Look at that smoothness. Look at it. Ooh. Ooh. Straighten what hair? Straighten what hair? So my next step now is to put my hair in the low ponytail. However, in one of my most recent videos, I kept saying, protect your ends. Okay, protect my ends. Always protect your ends no matter how much of a rush you're in. What I'm protecting my ends from is breakage. Whenever I'm doing a ponytail of any sorts, my hair has reached the length where when I am putting the ponytail over my hair, it tends to snag and get caught in the ends and it can get tangled up, and when I'm trying to make the ponytail, I can pull the scrunchie and cause breakage. So to prevent that, I simply gather my ends beforehand. So now when I gather my hair and I'm wrapping my scrunchie around, it's just going to slide over this little bump. No ends are exposed to get caught in the scrunchie and cause any snagging, tearing, and breakage. Can't say you never learned anything on this channel. I think I'm going to leave this little sideburn piece as the last thing to do. I'm not really sure what I'm doing with it yet, but I'm guessing it's gonna be too long to get that little wavy finish in there. Let's see. Yeah. Alright, we're going to have to make some modifications to that. I'll think about it. Alright, while I continue to ponder what I'm going to do with these side pieces, I'm going to tie down my hair with my scarf, and while I allow my hair to set, I am going to work on the hair that I'm going to put on the back of this ponytail. Woo, that's going to be a next task. Look at them natural curls. But before I continue, I'm going to do one big jumbo plait to the ends of my hair.
So, this is where I fucked up. Well, not totally fucked up, but I ended up making this tutorial way more complicated than it needed to be. So I had this genius idea to make the ponytail separate from my own hair. You know, sit down, relax, watch some Netflix as I plait the hair, wrap it with some coniculum to smooth it out. Then I take my time and I neatly wrap the gold elastic up all the way to the top, which turned out to be totally unnecessary because when I went to actually attach the ponytail to my own hair, my hair was actually longer than I thought it was.
It looks messy now, but we're going to get there, don't worry.
And I end up have to pull out almost all of the gold accessory. Anyways. Ugh. I mean, we did make it work. However, we could have skipped that entire process of making the ponytail on its own and just braid the Marley hair into my own hair from the beginning. And then we'd have reached this stage a lot faster, where we're using the coniculum hair to smooth out the braid before we wrap the gold elastic on top of it.
All I know is, this is not going to be fun to pull out. So now that my ponytail is attached, it's now just as simple as wrapping the gold accessory all the way up to the base of my ponytail. I really don't know. If you guys think I know what I'm doing before I turn on this camera, you give me way too much credit. From top. Ooh, I wonder if I can use 2 elastics at once. Maybe it would go faster. You think so? I think I have enough elastics to try that. Right. I'm tying 2 elastics together. So what I'm hoping is that by having 2 elastics beside each other, I can get through more surface area. And we done this a little quicker. Contrary to popular belief, my patience not that strong here.
And you see that? If I did just braid the hair in from the beginning, I wouldn't have that middle piece right there to connect, and I could just wrap the gold elastic from top straight down to the bottom.
I can't see. I need a lot to see. I need a lot to see. Can't see the ends. All the way to my butt. Ooh! Look at that. Other than for the fact that this is going to take me forever to take out of my hair, I'm keeping this style for at least a full week. And for all the gel I put in my hair too. Anyway, beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and like my hairstyle. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, I really think you should reconsider. I'm just saying. But if you're really not sure as yet, I'll leave some more of my videos up in the iCards so you can go watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then by the second or the third video, you should realize by then that you continue watching my videos because we clearly vibe together, so it just makes sense you subscribe. And to my beauties who are already subscribed, remember to share the video so that we can introduce our content to other people out there. We're super close to 1 million subscribers. Don't watch the number down there. We already know that YouTube kind of broken sometime and they keep hiding my real subscriber count, so continue to share the video and yeah. Alright, that's it. Later, beauties! Mwah. Oh yeah, if you'd like to see your art at the end of the video, be sure to, I'll post that in a comment. It's alright.